Namaste everyone, welcome to the first summer stretch challenge. Let's start with neck stretching. Please stretch your neck back and front, 10 repetitions, keeping your back straight. Very nice. And now rotate your neck in a circular motion 3 times clockwise and 3 times counterclockwise. Be very gentle with your neck. Now inhale, stretch your arms up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. You can do 10 to 20 repetitions of this exercise. Make sure you're keeping the track of your breathing. Now stretch your elbows back, then bring it in front. Inhale back, exhale front, inhale back, exhale front. 10 repetitions of this exercise. Keep doing. Now rotate your shoulders in a circular motion 5 times front to back and 5 times back to front. Now take your right arm to your left side, left to your right side, total 10 repetitions, keeping your belly at the same place. Only stretch your shoulders, your hands to the other side. Now rotate your wrist in a circular motion 10 times outside and inside. Don't forget to dance. Now move your wrist up, down, up, down, up, down. I think this is my favorite dance step from now. Now rotate your belly in a circular motion 5 times clockwise then counterclockwise. One of my favorite exercise. Now stretch your knee up, down, up, down like you're marching. Very nice. 10 times. Now rotate your ankle in a circular motion and from the other side, balance. Now open your arms, triangle pose. Inhale, bring your right palm down on your left side, left on right. Keep doing at least 20 to 30 repetitions of this exercise. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. See the hand which is going up. See the thumb of that hand which is going up. You can also take a rest in between. 10, 20, 30 repetitions. Do what your body allows, as I always say. Great. Now, warrior pose repetitions. Bring your one leg in front, bend your knee. Inhale, stretch your arms up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. 10 from each side. Yes, keep stretching. Do not let your knee go beyond your toe. Keep your knee in, stretch as much as you can, keeping your back straight. And now, mountain pose. Bring your legs in, walk, 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 back, back, back. Front, 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 back, back, back. I know you can do this. You can also increase the speed and increase the number of repetitions. Okay, now relax. Now please come in cat pose. Stretch your core up and down, 10 repetitions, normal breathing. Protract your shoulders up, then down, up, then down. Very nice, very good for your reproductive organs, for your core. Now, Spider-Man stretch. Bring your one leg in front. Then, it's very slippery. Then another. Then again, right in front, left in front, right in front, left in front. You can also keep the knee of that leg which is at back. Otherwise, to level up this exercise, you can also do this with knee up. Now, arms up, down, stand up, stretch your arms up and down, arms up and down, arms up and down, arms up and down. Normal breathing, keeping your back straight. And if you want to keep the track of your breathing, you can also do inhale up, exhale down. It is not necessary. Just keep doing this exercise, 10 to 20 repetitions. Very nice, everyone. Keep doing. Alright, again come in cat pose. Bird dog. Inhale, stretch your alternate leg and hand up in the air. Exhale down. Very nice. 5 each. Right with left, left with right. And if you think the speed is very fast, you can also pause the video, complete the repetitions and then come again. Now Vajrasan, inhale, stretch your arms up, exhale down, up, down. Shoulder exercise, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. You can also do 30 repetitions of this exercise, but make sure you are listening to your body. Inhale up, rotate your shoulders in a semicircle, up and down, up and down, up and down. I know you all can do this. Very nice. I can feel the burn in my body. Okay, now from here, we are going to do lateral bending. Sit in Vajrasana, stretch your right hand to left side and left to right side. 10 to 20 repetitions of this exercise. Normal breathing. Let me just do my hair. Yes, keep doing. It's raining. Weather is very good. Very nice. The speed is very up right now, but you can keep the speed as per your body needs. Okay. Now Malasana, deep squat position. My favorite asana of all the time. Keep sitting. You got this. Now up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Very nice. Down, up, down. Keep it going. Keep it doing. 10 to 20 repetitions of this exercise. Now open your legs. Try to bring your elbows down. Up, down. Shoulders up, down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Very nice. Just try to do 20 repetitions of this exercise, everyone. I know you can do this. You will be feeling burn in your inner thighs, in your back, in your hands, and this is very, very amazing exercise. Feel the burn. Keep it going. Yes, you got this. Alright, now it's time to take some rest. Lie down on your back. Keep your hands under your glutes. Lift your legs up. Repeat Karni. Keep your toes flexed towards yourself. Rest in this posture for a few seconds. Normal breathing. Now, legs up and down. Leg raises. Very nice. At least 10 times. Try to keep your legs off the mat. Okay, I don't know where my mat is going, but yes, keep your legs off the mat. Very nice. Now, let me just correct this. Good. Now, please bring your feet together, open your knees, then up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. At least 10 to 20 repetitions of this exercise, everyone. And again, I know you all can do this. Very nice. One by one, bring your knee closer to your chest and relax. Very good. Continuous. Only 10 times. Only 10 times. And you can also do 20. 10 from right, 10 from left. Now, move your knees down on both sides. Normal breathing. Very nice. You got this. Now it's very hard for me to keep my knees down, so I'm doing Pavan Muktasana and now stretching my body in Tanasana because my body needs rest. So let's do Savasana. Great. Very nice. Just relax. I'm also feeling the rain on my whole body. You can see I'm relaxed right now, but yes, rain is bothering me. Very nice. Absorb the benefits from today's practice. Keep smiling. Now please turn to your right side and get up in any comfortable posture. Hands in Gyan Mudra. Eyes closed. Take a deep breath in and out. Now please bring your palms together, rub them, warm them up. My hands are still wet, but yes, now you can relax, everyone. Have a nice day.